I'm here with Trent and Amy Hadley. We just closed on their purchase in Syracuse. Helped them out a couple years ago with a refinance on their home. They sold that and now they're moving up to the east side from where they used to live. Just wanted to take a couple minutes of your time and ask you a couple questions about how you were treated as far as the loan process went, as far as application questions, if it went smooth, things like that. So Trent and Amy, as far as from when you called and said, hey, is there a way you can help me out to buy this home, to today, you didn't want to put enough money down to, you could have, but didn't want to put all the money down to avoid the mortgage insurance, came up with a program that would prevent you from having to pay that silly mortgage insurance that you guys were unaware of, right?
Right.
Okay. As far as when you came and signed all your paperwork to now, how did the process go for you? I mean, were there any red flags or anything that popped up that were out of the ordinary? Go along smooth that way.
Well, when we first knew we needed some help with this, my first thought was to email Casey, and I sent, am I okay to start from the beginning?
Yeah,
Is that cool?
yeah.
So I sent Casey an email and said, hey, are you still doing this type of stuff? And he said, I certainly am. And so then he made me aware of this particular loan that we just concluded today, which avoided the long-term mortgage insurance.
Right.
Which was great because we didn't even know about it, so that was very helpful. And then I remember, particularly, there was a Saturday that we needed something done. And I can't remember, maybe Celeste can help us or Casey, but I remember sending Casey a text saying, hey, I don't even know if you work Saturdays, but could you get this to us today? And he dropped what he was doing, and he got it to us on that Saturday, which was great. He's been that way all the way through, so it's been real smooth, seamless.
Good, good. So as far as like response to emails, phone calls, texts, always in the loop, always knew what was going to happen next. There were no curveballs, anything like that. Okay. And in the future, if you knew of anybody that needed my services, you would recommend them?
Absolutely.
And if you guys needed my services in the future,
We'll be back.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.